U.S. Weather Briefing, November 15th, 2025. West Coast. A weakening upper-level ridge will give way to a splitting frontal system tonight, sending light showers into the coast and inland mountain slopes. Ceilings fall to MVFR behind the front, with pockets of IFR possible along the immediate coast and in convergence zones. Small craft impacts will accompany gusty coastal winds. Rockies. An upper-level ridge is yielding well above normal temperatures today across the Front Range due to downslope westerly flow. A weak shortwave will eject into the high country late tonight into Sunday, producing light mountain snow and spotty, mainly light rain on the plains as lift and moisture remain limited. Central Plains. A broad-scale baroclinic zone and transient trough influence the plains today, with lee troughing and modest low-level pressure falls, focusing gusty west to southwest flow across the region. Expect mixing to support above normal highs in many locations and only scattered convective showers where low-level moisture and upper forcing overlap. Southeast. A moist onshore regime persists along the Gulf and Atlantic coasts today, with weak frontal features and low-level convergence producing scattered showers and coastal showers, isolated thunderstorms. Aviation impacts will be localized. Brief MVFR ceilings and reduced visibilities with showers and low clouds near sea breezes and estuaries. Northeast. A mid-latitude trough and associated frontal band are the primary drivers today, keeping clouds and periodic precipitation across coastal and interior zones. Expect lower ceilings and gusty onshore winds at exposed terminals, with the best synoptic forcing focused near the coast and upshear regions. Synopsis. Overall, today's pattern is dominated by transient frontal passages and moisture delivery along coasts, with interior warming under ridging and isolated mountain precipitation where shortwave energy arrives. Flight planners should monitor ceilings and brief wind gusts near frontal passages and coastal convergence zones. Orlando/Miami, MCO/MIA. Today in South Florida, we're seeing warm, moist onshore flow, dominating expect mostly VFR conditions across the terminals with scattered coastal showers stressed by sea breeze boundaries. Winds will remain light to moderate, but any frontal push later could introduce higher gusts. Keep an eye on arrival, departure wind shifts during the day. New York, Baltimore, JFK/LGA/BWI:. In the I-95 corridor, the synoptic front is approaching, meaning lower ceilings and periodic rain bands will impact the airports. ATC should anticipate pockets of MVFR, perhaps brief IFR, especially along the coast where the band is stronger. Onshore winds will stay gusty near terminals exposed to the Atlantic, so runway assignments and spacing may need adjustment. Chicago, ORD, MDW. Here at the Midwest Hub, high pressure and subsiding air dominate. VFR flight rules should prevail, with good visibility and no organized convection. Surface winds will be light to moderate out of the west-southwest. Expect smooth arrivals and departures, with little in the way of turbulence or precipitation to complicate ops. Denver, DEN/BJC. Denver continues under a strong downslope westerly regime, keeping skies clear and temperatures unseasonably high for mid-November VFR conditions hold across the metroplex. And while mountain flights should still plan for some turbulence and mountain waves, the airport complex itself is operating in benign conditions. Easy transit in and out today. Los Angeles, LAX. In Southern California, a strong storm system is on track to impact the region later in the day. For now, Airports are still operating under mostly VFR, but the threat is increasing. Expect ceilings to lower, visibilities to drop, and convective wind gusts to develop once the rain bands arrive. Operations should be prepared for potential MVFR/IFR and runway drainage/turbulence issues as the front comes ashore.